In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams as per the 2025 update. If you've been looking for a quick and efficient way to get your meetings organized within Microsoft Teams, you're in the right place. We'll cover each step so you can confidently set up your meetings and manage your schedule with ease. To get started, the first thing you need to do is sign in to Microsoft Teams. Open your preferred browser or the Teams application and enter your login details. It's important to ensure you're logged into the correct account to have access to the appropriate calendars and contacts you wish to manage. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by your Teams dashboard, which is your command center for productivity. Now direct your attention to the sidebar on the left hand side and click on Calendar. This section is where you can view your daily, weekly or monthly schedule and is critical for managing your meetings. With this update, the calendar feature has been optimized for a smoother experience, making it easier to view and plan your engagements. Once the calendar is open, navigate to the day on which you'd like to schedule a meeting. Clicking on the specific date will pinpoint your meeting to the right time slot and day. Make sure you have accurately determined the date to avoid any scheduling conflicts. Now with the date set, you'll want to give your meeting a title. Click on the title section and type in a name that clearly identifies the purpose of your meeting. A descriptive title helps invitees understand what the meeting is about and ensures efficiency. Next, you'll want to add participants. Click on the People section, which allows you to select who you would like to invite to the meeting. For ease, selecting everyone might be suitable if you wish to include all team members or personal contacts related to the project or task. Take a moment to double check that you've invited the right individuals. With your participants chosen, click on Save to confirm the meeting's details. This action will finalize the scheduling in your calendar and send out notifications to your chosen attendees, allowing them time to prepare and adjust their schedules accordingly. Lastly, if you wish to share the meeting through other platforms or save it for external use, you can easily do this by clicking Copy Link. This feature is incredibly useful if you need to send invitations via email or any other messaging platform outside Microsoft Teams. Simply paste the copied link where needed. And there you have it, a straightforward and efficient way to schedule a meeting using Microsoft Teams. By following these steps, you're not only saving time but also ensuring that your meetings are well organized and easily accessible to all participants. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice these steps regularly to maximize your productivity in Microsoft